Hey guys, I wanted to do a quick unboxing and a quick comparison between the battery-powered Nest doorbell along with the new second generation wired Nest doorbell. They are pretty much even in height. Of course, you guys can already tell that the wired one is shorter than the battery-operated one. And just for comparison's sake, the wireless one certainly does feel heavier than the wired one. Let's see if I can't get some more light on here. There we go. Yeah, they're pretty much equal as far as thickness is concerned as well. Let's see everything that comes in the box here. That's that hex head. That's in that packaging, and then here you've got screws. Here's the angled door bracket. I really think that this is going to be much better in the wintertime, because in the wintertime this was dying quite often. And then last but not least is that puck. I forgot to include that they are not the same thickness. See that? The wired one is thinner. Yep, the wired one's not as wide. Anyway, I'll get you guys a quick install video as well.